Hey you guys, this is your girl Disparate Amelia back again with another video haul. I hope you all are having a blessed week and have found multiple things to be grateful for. So as you all know, I recently announced that I am an Eden BodyWorks ambassador. Woo! If you haven't seen my last video where I unboxed a bunch of goodies that I got from them, go ahead and check that out. Link will be down below and in the icon up above. But I'm about to use two of the products that they sent me, which is their coconut Shea natural curling jelly and their moisturizing hair milk in peppermint tea tree. I'm gonna use these to create a summer style that I've been rocking for a very long time. Okay, I have been rocking this updo. This puff has been my easy style to do when I want to look cute, when I want a little bit of definition, but you know, I just want my hair up and out of my face because it is getting into these hot and warmer months. So that is what I'm gonna do with you all today using these two products. This right here, this coconut Shea, is more of a gel type, so I'm going to be using it to seal my ends, and then this to moisturize my locks and curls, and you guys will see exactly how it turns out. So before we get too far into this video, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you all are loving it, but let's go ahead and get into this love. First things first, I usually finger comb my hair to part. So what I usually do is just part in the back with my finger, and it's not gonna be perfect, but you know, it's just a part for the twist out, you feel me? So parting in the back, we are going to put the rest of my hair up, a little pony situation, so we can get it out of the way for the rest of the parts. Leave a little bang out. And then I'm just gonna section them into probably medium size. I don't want them to be that small because I am putting them up in a pony. And then I'm just gonna detangle the ends of my hair, again fingering them out. And I don't have any product in my hair right now. I washed it a couple of days ago and I've just been using oil to moisturize my hair, so I don't have any extra product in there. So you can see the texture of my hair. I do have 4B hair and I am low porosity, so I am going with the lighter things that they sent me in this box just so I can see how my hair meshes with it. So first we're gonna go in with the moisturizing hair milk from the Peppermint Tea Tree collection. We're just gonna pour a little bit on my fingers for this section. Only want a little bit, don't want too much. Then I'm mixing it in and just putting that on this section. Now I will add as I go. This is my first time using this product, so I just wanted a sense of its consistency and how it distributes on my hair, and I can definitely use a good chunk more. So that's how my hair is looking with the milk, giving you a little bit more definition, baby. Okay, now with the same section, I'm going in with their coconut Shea natural curling jelly. So this basically acts as a, ooh, that came out real fast. So this basically acts as a gel, so I don't want too much. I just want a little bit that I can put at the end of my hair to seal in that moisture. So we're just gonna put a little bit at the end. Okay, y'all see the definition? Wow, that actually defined my hair a lot. I like that. Then we are just going to twist this baby up. So we are to the end of the twist, and usually how I like to seal my ends is just wrap my finger around it a couple of times just to give it like a little a little coil, a little curly spring, and that is the first twist. Right now we're just gonna get into the rest of this head, and I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so it's been about an hour and I finished my hair. I had to do it off camera so I could do it a lot quicker. But as you can see, my hair shrunk a lot. I do have very shrinky dinky hair. I'm pretty sure it's because of the gel. Whenever my hair touches water, it immediately retracts. So usually it would be down here or down here, but because of the gel it kind of shrunk. But as you can see, we are giving definition and we are giving shiny. It's very shiny. I'm going to leave this in probably for a couple of days. Today is Wednesday. I'll probably leave this in till like Friday and then take this out and style it for you all so you guys can see the next steps. All right, I'll see y'all soon. Hey guys, so it's been about 2 days since I put the twists in my hair, so we're about to reveal what's up under here. Boom. Yeah, so I just twisted the twists so I could stretch them out a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and unravel these so I can get into how I get my high puff. Let's get into it. Okay, so these are my twists after I took them out. They honestly feel really lightweight. I don't see any flaking or build up, so I am satisfied with the initial take down. And what I'm about to do is fluff my hair out. I look a little bit crazy, but you know, it's all a part of the process. What I like to do is just get some oil on my fingers and then go in and kind of fluff up my roots. Now what I'll do is actually separate the twists even further with my fingers before going in with a pick.
Hey y'all, I actually sped through this part because I was heading out with this look and I did not want to be late. So here you see me fluffing out my hair to give it some volume before I put it up. I then parted my hair and made sure it was sharp with, I used my pick, but you can use a rat tail comb just to give it a cute side part. I then used an elastic headband, carefully of course to not mess up the part, to put my hair up. To make sure it was tight, I'll grab either side of the band and cross it to give it a firmer grip. And this just makes it easier to slide the band up to make sure all my hair is up in that puff. Then I secure it with bobby pins. After that, I fluff my hair to make sure the puff is full, and I'll do my edges, and then the style is complete.
Hey guys, I am here. It's actually been a couple of hours since I finished my hairstyle, but as you can see, it has held on. Y'all look at these curls. Just look at the shine. It's so shiny, y'all. My hair doesn't get shiny too often when it comes to like putting products in there because it is low porosity, and I will be putting all of my hair details and facts, like, you know, what type I am, the texture, the density, all of that down below. I absolutely love it. This is definitely my go-to spring summer look. This high curly puff. Yeah, I did my edges and everything, and now we're here. This can also last me for a couple of days. You can accessorize it, especially because I added like the part and everything, but I really hope you all enjoyed. Go ahead and follow me over on Instagram at Disparate Amelia, the same as my YouTube channel, so you guys can see more photos of me and my hair. Okay, they get a lot of content over there on the daily, so go ahead and check me out at Disparate Amelia. Go ahead and follow Eden BodyWorks. I will also be linking and putting the description for the Eden products that I used in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you want to see, what hairstyles you guys want me to do on this channel featuring Eden products. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye. Shut